subscriptions are free, folks.
Yeah, here you go, guys. Oklahoma is known for wind, right? And buddy, we had some wind. This is my house and the old hog barn out here. Stuff is scattered everywhere. I was gonna try to do a automotive video this week, but Mother Nature, I believe, had other plans for us, boys. Yeah, Mom's house is way worse than this, so I've got to do a bunch of cleanup there. All right, so this is what it looks like after me, the four-wheeler, and a tow strap, and about roughly an hour of work to get this all cleaned up. But it ain't perfect, but at least I can move stuff around out here now. Let's go check on the next one. There's old Hun loading some limbs. Yeah, that's fine. Look at the size of that root system, fellas. No tap root, just all surface roots. Kind of took out a little bit of fence. Got to play around with my chainsaw a little bit here, guys. Cut it up. Crazy thing, if you look down in this hole, there's lines there. So this shop originally was built in the 80s. These lines were originally put in the 80s. So you got electric, water, and a gas line all right there, plus phone coming in. And yeah, disconnected all of it, no service in the shop. So they've already trenched and put new electric in. Water and gas is on me, I guess. All right, you can see down there, lots of stuff blown down. Lots of widowmakers up in the trees. Still running the small saw today, and gonna be loading some stuff and dragging it out of this backyard. The wind was blowing hard enough it took that grill and blew it out here. And blew all the limbs out of the top of this, not this little oak tree, but the cottonwood tree behind it. See the broken limbs up there? Yeah. This one, I've got most of the way cut up now. I'm just waiting. I've got a guy coming with a giant excavator to take care of this root ball. Let me give you guys some context here and set you up so I can stand up against this and you can see it. So, if I stand at the ground level, and I'm 6 feet tall, so you can see how big this root system ripped out. I'm not sure if I talked about it earlier, but it ripped all of the electric wires out. It fell, and you know, giant tree. So it fell, and a big enough limb hit the electric line right there, electric meter, and broke it. Kind of messed up the fence a little bit. I helped it with the tractor some though. Yeah, so that's been about 3 or 4 days worth of work here. I'm gonna pull this wire out of the ground because it just runs into the shop, and then I'm gonna pull what's left here out from the pole over here so we can scrap that. So you see up there where the 2x4s are poking out? That's not what we want. Yep, so right off in here, I don't know if I've shown you guys this pile before or not, but this is where I burn everything at. And she is full, baby. We're gonna let these leaves die a little bit more and get the water out of it, and then we're gonna throw some diesel and some motor oil on there. We're gonna have us a weenie roasting good time, baby. I mean, look at that stuff in there. It's a pretty good sized burn pile. So there you go. There's why content's not all that regular. It's not like we didn't already have enough stuff going on, and then Mother Nature came through, and I mean, that was a huge windstorm. Insane. So it just is what it is. We'll see if we can get you up here close enough that you can see this big old tower. You see the dish on top of that thing? Yeah, that's pretty crazy that it blew everything else away, and that tower didn't even move, didn't even shift any of the antennas or the dish on it for our internet service out here. So also very good. It did disrupt a whole lot of other stuff though, and we're working on getting it all put back together. I'm also doing some automotive videos for you guys. I'm just having to do it late at night instead of like using normal daytime schedule like I would. So yeah, we'll get back with it eventually for you guys and get some good content coming, some how-to, some C10 stuff, and a Grand Wagoneer getting finished up. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Out.